Week 1, let's speak Japanese fast and fluently. No more stuttering and stumbling. Get out the stopwatch and time yourself with this fluency practice. Say the groups of sentences in Japanese after you hear them in English. As there's a lot to remember, keep the book open so that you can see the English sentences, but cover up the Japanese answers. Award yourself a silver star if you do each section in 20 seconds, a gold star if you manage 15 seconds. Use the pause button to give yourself time to think out and say your answers out loud. Some of the English is in Japanese speak to help you. Good evening. I Tokyo to go. And you, Mr. Suzuki? I Osaka Bank at work. Now Kyoto to go. Holidays, I have. Computer, I have not.
こんばんは。私は東京に行きます。鈴木さんは？
私は大阪銀行で働いています。今、京都に行きます。休みがあります。コンピューターがありません。
Kyoto, how is it? Interesting, is it? Interesting it is, but expensive it is. Their apartment I have. Wife there is Michiko.
京都はどうですか？面白いですか？
面白いですが高いです。そこにはアパートがあります。妻がいます。美智子さん。
New Yorkin, her friend is. Always America too, she phones. Expensive it is. Oh, excuse me, it is Michiko. One moment, please. She always speaking on the phone.
ニューヨークに友達がいます。いつもアメリカに電話しています。高いです。ああ、すみません。美智子さんです。ちょっと待ってください。いつも電話しています。
Well, did you get a gold or a silver star? Why not have another go and try to beat your own record? Or you could try saying all the sentences in one go. Can you do it in 45 seconds? If you can, you're a fast and fluent winner. You've now come to the end of week 1, and you can say lots of things in fast-track Japanese. Remember, tomorrow's a day off, so sit back and relax.